Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Raza with a new video.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a student portfolio by using Google Sites. For this, we can open Google and we can write here Google Sites. Or alternatively, we can open sites.google.com. This will be our landing page. Google Site is a useful tool to learn the web development. So it can give you the idea how to create a website. If you want to create a complete website by yourself, then you can use this blank site. Alternatively, we have a template gallery, and in this template gallery we have different types of templates which we can use according to our requirement. You can see here in personal, we can see family update, portfolio, we can see event, help center, project, team. If you are running a small business, we can use holiday party, photo portfolio, restaurant, saloon, wedding. The people related to teaching and education, they can use graduates, professors, class, club. So all these templates are available. I will choose this student portfolio. First of all, we will give the name to our portfolio. So I am writing Ahmed's portfolio. Here I will write my name, Ahmed Raza. From here we can add logo. If you have any logo designed already, you can use this option. Alternatively, we will click on select and we can choose Google Images. Here we can write free logos. You can choose any logo. I am choosing this one. Click on insert and you can see this logo has been shifted to your page. I'm not going to explain all of the options in one video because in this way the video will become very lengthy. So I'm skipping some of these. Here we can write, I'm writing my name, Ahmed's learning journey. Now I will scroll down and from here we can add the image. I have chosen this image and now you can see the image has been replaced. Now this is about me section. Here you can tell your site viewers more about yourself. What grade are you in and what school do you go to? What skills, talents and knowledge do you have? What do you like learning about? We have here three tabs, insert tab, pages and themes. We have here different themes available. We can choose the theme according to our choice. For example, I will choose this theme and we can select the color accordingly. If you have any theme downloaded or you have designed, so you can upload from here. The next tab is about pages. You can see here three pages, home, classes and activities. So if you want to create a new page, you can click on these three dots. You will see the option of duplicate page, properties and sub page. We will choose the option of duplicate page. So this page will be duplicated. I will give the new name to this page. For example, I am writing subjects. So you can see a new page has been added. In the same way, we can add any number of pages according to our requirement. Now in subject, I want to add subpage. So I will click on subpage. I will write here ICT, and you can see the subject ICT has been added as a subpage. In the same way, I can add another subpage for another subject, like for example, I am adding for chemistry. I will add one more subpage for physics. In this way, we can add the subpages for our subject. Now I will choose again ICT. Now I want to add more subpages for the subject ICT. For example, the first subpage which I will add is presentations. The second subpage which I will add is worksheets. The third subpage which I will add is assignments. In the same way, we can add further subpages like projects. Now, for example, I will click on worksheets. Now, how to add the content in this page? Before I move to the next option, I can tell you some other options here. For example, we can hide a page, we can delete any page, we can click on the properties, or we can make any page as a home page. Now we will move to the next tab, which is insert. Insert is used to add different content to your website, to your web pages. For example, I have chosen here the subject ICT, and I have chosen here the subpage worksheets. Now I will click on insert, and insert is used to add different options here. For example, if I want to add text box, so I can add from here. If I want to add the images, I can add from here. If I want to embed any link, I can choose this option. If I want to add any content from the Google Drive, I will choose this option. Now if I scroll down, we can see here content blocks. 6 different options are already available. I will choose the last one. We can add more content blocks in this way. Now from here, we can add the content to our web page. For example, I am writing here worksheet 1, and from here I can add the worksheet. For example, if this is a worksheet, so you can see that I have added my worksheet. In the same way, we can add the content and we can add the description of our content. Now I will further scroll down to see the next options. This is collapsible group. This I am skipping for the time being. Table of contents. This is just like the table of content in the start of your book. It will give you the complete picture of your web page. Now image carousel. This is an important option. Sometimes you have opened the website and you can see that some of the images are coming on the screen in the form of a slideshow. So we can add the images by using this option. We need at least 2 images here. For example, I will click on upload image and I will add these 4 images, 4 or 5 images. I will click on insert and you can see the same number of dots under this picture. I can resize them like this to make like this. When I will publish this website, this portfolio, you will be able to see all these images. Now if you want to add any button, so you can click on this option. For example, I want to link my button with this ICT or any other page, so I will write here ICT. Now you can see a button has been created. In the same way, I will create another button For example, I'm writing here subjects, and I can create the link with subjects like this. Okay, if we want to add the divider in our page, we can use this option. To divide our portfolio or web page into different sections, we can choose the divider. So for example, you can see I have added a divider here. In the same way, if we want to create a space somewhere, so we can add spacer. So you can see I have added the dividers and spacer. Now we can add the social media links to our web pages as well. For example, I will click on this. You can see two options here. First one is for image, second one is for the link. So first I will search the image of social media, for example, Facebook. These are the images icons for Facebook. So I will click on this, insert, and now you can see the icon has been added. Here we can paste the link of our Facebook page. I'm just adding here www.facebook.com. In the same way, we can add for others. Like I will choose here LinkedIn. These are the icons for LinkedIn. I will choose this one, insert, and here we can write www.linkedin.com. You can write your own link, the link of your portfolio, the link of your profile on LinkedIn. Now you will see both of these icons will be added. Yes. So when we will publish our web page and we will click on these links, they will redirect us to the social media pages. In the same way, we can add YouTube link to our web pages. For example, if you have your own YouTube channel or you want to add any of your favorite video, so you will click on this YouTube, and from here you can search any video. So I have searched one video. I will click on this and you will see that the video has been added. We can resize this to make it bigger like this. In the same way, I will add one more video. Now I will click on the second video and we will add this one as well. So you can see I have added another video and I have resized as well. So in this way, we can add the images, we can add the videos, we can add the links of YouTube channels like this. Now I will click on calendar so that we can add the calendar to our web page. So I am choosing Minds. So this calendar has been added. We can resize the calendar as well. In the same way, we can add the location. For example, I will select here Khobar, Saudi Arabia, and you can see the location has been added. We will further scroll down to see the next options. Add Google Docs from here. We can add slides. We can add Google Sheets. We can add forms. So we can add all these things to our web pages. Now the next thing is to see the preview of your page. So we'll click on preview. You can see here three different options. This is phone, tablet, and large screen. As we have created our website, our portfolio on the large screen, so we will be able to see from here if we click on this option. So this will show us how our website will look like when someone will open it on mobile. So you can see here, this is the preview of your website on mobile. If we click on this tablet view, so this will show you how your website will look like on tablet. In the same way, this will give the view of large screen. We will close this. Now we will click on the option of publish. From here we can publish our web page. So we can write the name of our web page. For example, I am writing Ahmed Raza. Ahmed Raza Dubai or Ahmed Raza Khubar. So you can see this option is available. So I will click on publish. Now you can see here my page has been published. We can click here to view. Alternatively, we can click here and we can see our published site. Now you can see here, this is the logo which we have selected. This is the background image, the theme. This is the home button. If we will scroll down, so all these things which we have done. We have added the flower, we have added the description, we have added the email address. Then we have added here the subjects. You can see all the subjects. For ICT, we have added presentations, worksheets, assignment, projects. So if we click on worksheets, so you can see this is the image carousel. If you click on this, so we will be able to see the images. So in this way, we can do little adjustment. You can see here the worksheet, and these are the social media links. If we click on any one of these links, so you can see this is redirecting us to LinkedIn. So we can see from here that this is working properly. Then these are the content blocks, and if you further scroll down, this is the YouTube link of our videos. This is the calendar, location. So this is all about developing a student portfolio in Google Sites. If you click on activities, you can add your activities, curricular activities and co-curricular activities. Options are available. This is the activity page. So you can add your achievement here also. The things which we have discussed so far, I think these will enable you to develop a wonderful portfolio by using Google Sites. If you want me to explain any other option, you can write in comment section. If you like this video, give thumbs up and share with your friends so that maximum people can get the benefit of this video. Thank you very much. This is all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Distance Learning with Ahmed. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every new video.